With the sustained growth of private cars, car DVR is becoming popular as driving security product, which can protect the fundamental rights and interests and driving security of car owners. As a result, how to select a good car DVR is very important. JADO Car DVR not only can record the video and sound, but also keep track of the time, speed, and location of driving. The car DVR is like the airplane black box, which is helpful for car accident identification and extort and fake incident recognition. Stable power supply and correct installation steps are the precondition to use the car DVR. As the leader of high-end car DVR in China, the quality of every collection of JADO Car DVR is guaranteed by insurance company. At the same time, when you assemble it, JADO advises you to use the factory accessories. JADO Car DVR can be powered by factory charger and AV line. We will show you how to supply power and how to install the car DVR correctly as follows. Method 1. JADO Standard Power Line and Charger. USA Voltage Regulator Chip, Wide Voltage Design, and 12-volt to 24-volt loadability can satisfy the power supply of car and truck. The vacuum-sealed design can protect the electron components from oxidation and aging, extending the life of car DVR. JADO Original Charger is fireproofing and anti-throw shockproof. The common charger line is only 3 meters, but JADO Power Line is 3.5 meters of 18 copper core. It can make current and voltage transport stably. To make it easy for the user, JADO uses a double voltage output. The power of 5-volt 1.5A can supply for car DVR and mobile phone. The exclusive humanized design of 7-inch shape plug is better than the traditional 1-shape plug, which is more convenient to use after installation. The installation steps of the charger line. Step 1. The charger line goes along the car ceiling. Step 2. Then the line goes along the windshield side, pillar A, inwardly. Step 3. Hide charger line into pillar A, the soft rubber sealant. Step 4. Then extend the line. Step 5. Extend the line under the co-pilot store box. Step 6. Insert the charger to cigarette lighter. Step 7. At last, check the charger line if it is hidden properly. Method 2. JADO Original AV Line to supply the power. The sealing design of JADO Original AV Line can protect the electron components from oxidation and aging, extending the life of car DVR. USA Voltage Regulator Chip, Wide Voltage Design can undertake the loadability of 12-volt to 24 volts. The AV line has the function of short circuit protection, current limit, short circuit cutting, with the import overcharge and overcurrent protection chip. This line has the function of video output and voltage protection at the same time for the car owner's real demand. The foil-wrapped AV line can block out distracting information to guarantee the proper functioning. The AV line of low-temperature resistance material can proper function in the -20 degrees Celsius environment. Other brands of lines are easy to fracture, which will affect the normal function of car DVR. Installation steps of AV line. Step 1. The AV line goes along the car ceiling. Step 2. Then the line goes along the windshield side, pillar A, inwardly. Step 3. Hide AV line into pillar A with soft rubber sealant. Step 4. Open the side cover to extend the line. Step 5. Find the correct position of ACC fuse box as a different position of different car. Then find the fuse with the help of professional person to connect the AV line. The red line to the fuse. Step 6. Close the ACC fuse box. Step 7. After the AV line, the black line is connected to the earth line of fuse. Close the side cover and then check it if the line is installed properly. Mini collections. 1. Tear down 3M tape and find the appropriate location. 2. Attach 3M tape to the stick position. JADO Car DVR not only has high shot resolution and wide vision angle, but accessories also consider for the customers. Every JADO original accessory should pass the strict quality inspection to reach JADO brand standard. Above all, the quality of the product and accessory is the first consideration point in JADO. In consideration of unstable performance of other brand accessories, we advise you to use the JADO original accessories to guarantee the perfect performance of our product. JADO. Let's meet on the road.